Hey, how you doing? This side again. I'm back with another video, and today's affiliate marketing FAQ question is: how often do you get paid as an affiliate? So when you've generated those commissions, the next bit is obviously for you to get paid that you're owed, right? So the frequency of payment varies from network to network and affiliate programs to affiliate program. Some pay monthly, some pay weekly, some pay fortnightly, and as I said, it varies, but commonly they pay monthly. Okay. So one thing that you have to consider is the refund periods. After you've made the sale, you have to wait for the refund period to lapse before you can get paid for sale. Again, this is typical for many programs. Another common thing is the payment threshold, which means that you have to earn a certain amount before you can get paid the commissions in your bank account. So it could be, for example, $50. You have to earn commissions of at least $50 before you can get paid commissions. So that's just two of the things that are very common with affiliate programs. These are just typical policies and procedures in place of affiliate programs, which helps them run them in a proper systematic way. And the minor issue, they're not really issue, the minor things that we just have to accommodate and work with them, with the networks, and just be compliant. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe, and if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, visit affiliateship.com/free. I've also put the link in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.